Come on into my kitchen. Who's ready for the ultimate Brussels sprouts? Oh yeah, with a bacon. These are the Brussels sprouts. I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'm going to be using. We're going to be steaming them down with some water. Let's get started. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put the frozen Brussels sprouts in a pot. We're going to add to that one 10-ounce and a 10.5-ounce can of cream of bacon. These are the seasonings we're going to be using. And let's get that cream of bacon in with these Brussels sprouts. Season as per your taste with the seasonings. Once you've added all of your seasonings, we're going to go ahead and mix everything up together. We're going to then add in 4 cups of water. Now you're going to give this a thorough mix to make sure that cream of bacon is mixing in with the water. And then we're going to get saran wrap and we're going to seal it up. We're going to cook these on a stove at high temperature for about 5 minutes. And then we'll turn it down to medium heat, sealed. We're going to check on it. We're going to go ahead and give it a stir and a mix and make sure that everything is married in this pot. Continue to stir. We've already set the temperature down to a medium low, and we'll let them sit for another 3 to 4 minutes. We're going to seal them back up and turn the heat off. And we're going to let it sit once everything's done. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking video. Easy, ultimate Brussels sprouts with bacon. Oh yeah. And please go check out my channel for all the recipes and cooking videos that I have in store for you. Oh yeah, baby.